This is the beautiful looking living room. Here is a granite platform, a modular kitchen that's being made. This is the beautiful looking master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Falak and we are here today at Brigade El Dorado by Brigade Developers, which is located in Aerospace Park, North Bangalore. We are going to do its 2 BHK and 3 BHK sample flat tour. Well, we are going to know a lot about the project in detail, but first let us know what is Housey. What exactly is Housey? Well, let me tell you that Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects the home buyers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price, means the best rate possible. Unlike other current listing platforms wherein if you do an inquiry, your number is shared to different brokers and the result is you get a lot of calls. Well, let me tell you that Housey is such a real estate platform that the listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home directly with the developer through Housey. Let us now talk about the project. So this project, Brigade El Dorado, is going to be constructed on 50 acres of land parcel, having 12 towers, out of which 9 towers have already been launched, and we are going to be talking about the 10th tower, which is called Dioro and which has ground plus 22 stories, 2 BHK and 3 BHK apartments. Let me also tell you that out of these 12 towers, 1 tower is going to be completely commercial and which is also going to be having St. John's Hospital in it as well. Now talking about the location, so this is located in Aerospace Park, North Bangalore, which has Kempe Gowda International Airport just at a distance of 15 minutes drive, that is like 12 kilometers. They have Reva University, which is around a 10 minutes drive from this project. This project also has its own township, so there is going to be preschool, there is going to be multiplexes, there is going to be hospital in it as well. And then talking about different schools and colleges, so everything is at an easy connectivity of just like 10 to 15 minutes from this project. As well as if we talk about commercial spaces, so commercial spaces are also at an easy connectivity of 4 to 5 kilometers from this project. That means like just around a 15 minutes drive from this project. Well, so talking about the amenities, this project has to offer 80 plus amenities. So you can just imagine like the whole township is going to be having 80 plus amenities that includes an outdoor gym, a farm cafe, amphitheater, basketball court, skating rink, as well as you're going to be getting 2 clubhouses of 50,000 square feet each, and they are going to be the biggest clubhouses here in North Bangalore. As well as you can see the model, you're going to be getting multiple swimming pools as well and many more amenities. So yes, this is about the project. Now let's go and see how the sample flat is. Let's go. So right now we are standing outside the 3 BHK urban of Dioro, which is of 628 square feet. But let me also tell you that they have a variant of 668 square feet carpet area as well. So without any delay, let's go inside and see how the 3 BHK urban is. Let's go. So as we enter, this is the beautiful looking living room. As you can see, there's a little passage area over there as well. And here is the dining area. Here is the seating area. So as I always say, this is like a cherry on the cake, a cute looking balcony that's been given here. So can we just see that? You can just sit and enjoy and have a leisure time over here. And now let's go and see how is the kitchenette area. As you can see, there's this place given here for the refrigerator. Here is a granite platform, a modular kitchen that's being made. This is how you can make your own kitchen. A stainless steel sink will be provided. It's a nice looking kitchen. Here half French windows have been given. Here also a small space has been given wherein you can store all your utilities, and here you can make your different cabins for different storage items. And now let's go and see how the bedroom is. Let's go and see the bedroom number 1. So this is like a cute looking bedroom. This can be like a single person's room or maybe like a kid's room. And here is a small wardrobe kind of this thing that's being made. You can make your own wardrobe here. There is a storage space here as well. Here also some space has been given like for your TV, and even if you want to make like a dressing table maybe or a study table, this much space has been given over here. half French windows have been given here, so like there is nice ample space here for your ventilation as well, and you can just enjoy the beautiful view, especially like if you're on the higher floor. So yes, this is bedroom number 1, and now let's quickly head to bedroom number 2. But let me tell you that before that, right in front of bedroom 1 and bedroom 2, there is a common washroom. It's a nice looking spacious washroom. Anti-skid tiles have been given, high-end sanitary fittings have been given. And right beside bedroom number 1 is bedroom number 2. So let's go and see how that is. This is a cute looking bedroom number 2. This has been made like a study, but obviously you can just customize it as per your requirement and as per your need and make it as per your choice. Obviously, here also half French windows have been given. So this is like a cute looking room. And now let's head to our master bedroom, which is the bedroom number 3. But before that, let us know, what does Housey actually do for us? Well, let me tell you that in Housey, you get to know the actual location tour. You also get to know the sample flat tour as well. We let you know the pros and cons of every project, like why is this project good for you? Why is this project not good for you? We also let you know the all-inclusive pricing, inclusive of EMI and down payment details. As well as we let you know the 360 degrees virtual project tour. Wow, what can be better than this? Well, let me tell you that after all of this, if you like the project, if you want to see the project, in 3 simple clicks, you can book your free site visit. So just go on the link mentioned in the description and book your free site visit right now. So now let's go and see the master bedroom. This is the beautiful looking master bedroom. Half French windows have been given. And here, as you can see, an inbuilt wardrobe has been made. So like space utilization is really nice. A high ceiling is there. So wherever there is like a high ceiling kind of a place, so it gives like a luxury feel to that place. So that's really nice. And now let's go and see the washroom. Anti-skid tiles have been given, high-end sanitary fittings have been given, and it's a nice looking washroom, a spacious washroom obviously. A small window has been given for ventilation as well, as you can see there. So yes, this was a 3 BHK urban sample flat tour of Brigade El Dorado's Dioro, which is located in Aerospace Park, North Bangalore. How did you like the 3 BHK urban sample flat tour? Let us know in the comment section. Also, if you want to book your site visit, you can just go and register yourself on housey.com. As well as if you want to download the e-brochure of this project, you can just click on the link mentioned in the description. And before going, you know the drill, subscribe to our channel Housey for more details, for more updates, and for more videos. I'll see you in another video. Until then, bye bye and take care.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.